Hi, this is a makeup tutorial on how I did this makeup. It's just like simple eyeliner. Um, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we go. I'm first going to start off with my e.l.f. primer. This is like a glowy one. I don't know where I got it from. I think I got it from like Kmart or something. But I'm just applying that so my foundation can look nice and glowy. It doesn't really help it last very long, so if you're wanting a long lasting one, I wouldn't recommend this one, but it does make your skin look really pretty and really glowy, so that was the vibe I was going for. And it's really good for photos though, so if you're doing it for a photo shoot, I would highly recommend. But yeah, just rub it in all in. Look at me go. Rub it in all in. Gotta do the neck. I put a shitload on my neck, so here we go. So now I'm just putting in my hair clips. I have long hair and it gets in the way, so I mean, that's just one of my simple little steps I have to do. Okay, so when I was filming this, it was actually struggling to open, but here I am looking at it like, what the F's going on? Now I didn't realize when I was filming this, but I actually was in the way. I didn't realize you couldn't see what I was like actually doing, but the way I do it, I'm literally just pressing it down and just gliding it. I do have another video that I'll put in the description box of more of an in-depth tutorial, but I'm literally just gliding it down just like that. I'm not drawing it on. I'm not. So now I'm just checking it's even and like the symmetry is all good. It was a little bit uneven, but it was okay. And I'm literally just checking from different angles, and then I'm showing you. You can leave it like that if you want, but I like to go in and make it a bit thicker. I think here. Yeah, okay, this is where I started getting it in my eye. Oh no. Oh no. She's panicking. Oh, okay. So I resolved that, and now I'm going in and making it thicker, and I'm doing the line across my lid, but I'm just dragging it. I'm not doing a little triangle or anything. I'm just gliding along and trying my hardest not to blink. I definitely recommend using a hand mirror like that, or just a little mirror, and like the eyeshadow palettes work just as well. And now I'm like drying it because I find it's like so much easier just to dry it because it's super wet. And here I'm just showing off how it was looking. It was looking really crusty because the eyeliner is quite old. But yeah. Now I'm going in with a little Q-tip and I'm just trying to clean it up. This is a bit of an unnecessary step, but I like to do it just because I'm weird. And now, I don't know if you can see it, but I was trying to do a pink line. You can't really see it right now, but that's that video is like so that's just like exactly how I do it, just gliding it along, just letting the brush do its thing, because that is so much easier than just trying to draw little shapes, at least for me personally. Then I'm going in now with some eyelash glue. I don't know if I put it in or not. I think I forgot to put it in, but I'm just sticking a little gem on. So this is the final look. Yeah, I did put on like blush and foundation afterwards and like highlighter because I didn't think anyone would like wonder what I use or like how I do it, because most of the time people just wonder what I stick on my eyes. So without my glasses, my eyeliner is crusty though. Like, this is the crustiest it's looked in a while. So when my eyeliner gets like this, it's just time for me to just chuck it. But I mean, from afar, it's fine. Like, and once I have my glasses on and like, you know, like once I do this, it's like, no one really cares. It's just makeup at the end of the day. You don't have to take it super seriously.